Welcome to the brand new refurbished one bedroom at Kidani Village at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And I think they did a great job with this refurbishment and I can't wait to show you. So to start off, we're going to start with one of my favorite things about the one bedrooms at Kidani, the second full bathroom. So here we have a shower and tub combo and a toilet and a sink and vanity, the makeup mirror, everything you need. There's only 3 one bedrooms at DVC that have 2 full baths. It's here, but not at Jumbo House. Bay Lake Tower at the Contemporary and the new Polynesian Island Tower. They all have 2 full baths in the one bedroom. And across from the bathroom is a closet with your washer and dryer, the extra pillow and blanket that you'll use for the pull-down beds, ironing board, dustpan and broom, laundry basket, laundry soap. Very convenient to have in your room. There's also an iron up there too. Now in the kitchen and living room area, we've got a nice table and chairs, and these are the same table and chairs and the same king bed that they had before the refurbishment, which I'm glad they kept those. I like that. And this door is the door to a studio, and you can rent both rooms out as a 2-bedroom lock-off, which is a studio and a 1-bedroom together to make a 2-bedroom. And so here's the kitchen area. It's a full kitchen. There's this nice countertop with some stools to eat at. We have a sink, dishwashing soap, cleaning supplies, Lion King artwork all throughout the room. You also, there's some towels, your silverware, the toaster is down here, bakeware, colander. Under here you have your trash and recycling and more cleaning supplies. We have a full-size fridge and freezer, and the freezer doesn't have an ice maker, but it does have ice cube trays, but there are also ice machines at the hotel to get free ice too. So, and you have a nice big microwave, full glass top stove, and an oven. We have a coffee maker that does both kinds, your K-cup and your drip, so everybody's happy. And here's your coffee. And they give you some to-go cups. And in here we have more cooking utensils. And then under here are your plates and some more pots and pans. And up here is your drinkware. Everything you need. Now here is the living area, and it has 2 sleeping surfaces in here. Over here we have a single pull-down bed, nice big TV, a balcony access, and then I love this sofa, and then this pulls down into a Murphy bed. And I really like how you still get this chair on the side and then this long chaise over on the other side, even when the bed's pulled down. And that's really convenient. I love this artwork. It's obviously inspired by Joe Rohde's research trips to Africa that he took when he was designing Animal Kingdom. They have some examples of this in the restaurant Tiffin's over in Animal Kingdom Park. This is really nice. And up on the curtains, there's a little Zazu. It's so cute. And I will pull these beds down in a minute and show you what they look like down. But here's the master bedroom. I really like this carpet. Nice king bed, and that is the same bed. They took out those cool ostrich egg lamps that used to be on the nightstands, and they've replaced them with these wall sconces. But you have nightstand on either side. Pretty artwork above the bed. Simba and Nala on the bed. This is your other balcony access, and I'll take you out there in a minute too. But even though we lost the ostrich egg lamps, we got this cool lamp. These animals on the shade. I like that. We have another small mirror and a desk and a chair. And then we have this large dresser with some outlets on the side. Sorry. And another nice big TV. Oh, and they kept the ceiling fans. So there's a ceiling fan in the master bedroom and in the living room. I love having the ceiling fans in the rooms. I'm upset at the ones that they removed them, but they still have them here. So here is the master bath. And we've got this beautiful big tub. This cool tile work. You've got your bath products. We'll walk-in shower. Again, nice and big. Soap on the wall. 2 shower heads. A seat. And then here's the vanity. Got a hairdryer, trash can. I like that they put the step stool in here for kids to reach the sink. They should do that in all the resorts here. So the bathroom, on the vanity, you got your soap. And this is your soap. This is lotion, so be careful. It's not soap. Tissues and a magnifying mirror. Plenty of light. The bathroom is nice and bright. And then the toilet is in a separate closet. And then here we have another closet. And this has your safe, luggage rack, hangers, and extra pillow and blanket. So let me show you the view from the balcony, and then when I come back in, I'll show you the beds pulled down. So this is the balcony. 1-bedrooms always have huge balconies. So here we've got 3 chairs and a table over here, and then behind me there's another table and chair. So this is a resort view 1-bedroom. It's what they used to call standard view. And so at Kidani, resort view means it's going to be along the front of the hotel. And so it's going to be a parking lot view, and we are right by the bus stop. So yeah, you're not going to get the best views when you have a resort view here. If you really need to book the Savannah view, guarantee a Savannah view, whereas at Jambo House, you actually have a pretty good chance of getting a Savannah view when you book a resort view room. So let's go inside, and I pulled the beds down. Let's take a look. The double Murphy bed has this adorable scene on it. Lion King, of course. So cute. And there's a light in it. And so you see when it's pulled down, you still have a chair on either side. And then over here on the single pull down, so cute, Simba and Pumbaa and Timon sleeping peacefully. It's so pretty. It almost looks like stained glass. That's nice. So this is a bed that's suitable for a child or a small adult. If you're 6'4", you're probably going to have a bad time on this bed. So I think they have done a great job with this refurb, and we will also be staying in a studio, so look out for the room tour of that. And I really can't wait to see what they've done with the studio. and some of the furniture, and they certainly kept the spirit of the rooms. They're really beautiful. Animal Kingdom Lodge has needed a refurbishment for a while. They really got pushed to the end of the line for some reason, but they're almost done with Kidani. They haven't finished it yet, and they will be starting on Jambo House soon. And so I will also get some reviews of those in once they open up. But we really like staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani or Jambo. Kidani feels a little quieter. It's not as busy because Jambo has all the restaurants and everything, and it's a regular hotel too. It's only one floor of Jambo is DVC, whereas Kidani, the whole building is DVC. But there is still a restaurant at Kidani, Sanaa, which is an excellent restaurant, one of our favorites here. Get the bread service. Well, if you enjoyed this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!